In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize image for Acuity scheduling. Now, if I go over here to my appointment types, and if I try to basically edit over here and add an image, you'll see it's not going to work because the image is too big. So if I click on add an image and I try to, for example, select this one and click on open, it's going to say 1.5 megabyte max and I cannot upload it. So to change this and to resize image, it's super simple. You can do this online. You can go to Google or something similar and type in change image size online, and you can go to any of these resizers. I'm gonna select this one, which is the first one for me. So of course, again, it doesn't matter. You have to select your image. I'm going to select this over here and click on open. Now in here, you can leave everything like it is whenever it uploads, and you want to go to here on the left and you want to find export settings, and where it says target file size, you want to go and make it 1.5 megabytes max output file size, or of course 1500 kilobytes. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this and click on export over here. Now when you do this, of course, you don't have to bother with anything else. You'll see here the new size is going to be, there we go, much smaller. So I can now download this. I can go back in here, add the image, click on the new image and click on open, and now it is working. If I click on save, there we go, it's going to save that, and the image has now been added and resized for Acuity scheduling. Now if you were talking about actually resizing images on your scheduling page, you can do that too. So if you go into settings, you'll see over here you can add images to your scheduling instructions with this button over here, and if you add them in, you can click on the image and you can resize it using this kind of border over here, which allows you to make it smaller or bigger. Okay, so those are the options you have. Just don't forget to save it whenever you are done. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.